person I was. The one who hid away his pain with the clutches of drugs. I won't be angry or regret. Only smile on my own and just know I overcame the hardest thing in my life that I've ever known. It's hard to justify unless you've walked the path that I've strolled. You keep telling yourself tomorrow is the day you'll let go. And everyone will tell you to change. Just stop being this way. And inside you're gripping your fucking hair, screaming out the same.
Yo. What up, what up? All right. What up, gang? Connect, bro. Shib Dog. Big Logan, what up, what up? Let's have a look, you guys. Stop WAP, we getting banned. Bro, I got banned for a week for putting that WAP video up on TikTok yesterday, but then my appeal got rejected, but I have another way as well, and my other way worked. Which is like a 5% chance it works sometimes, and this time it actually worked. Oh, checkers, what up, stat? All right, chat, let's lock in. Let's lock in, my dudes. Let's crazily lock in 1 second. You guys on TikTok, is the audio okay? Like, is the music not too loud or anything? Test, test. No, it's not okay. Something's wrong. It's playing twice. Audio has to go. All right, man. All good. Fuck everything. Let's have a look. Nah, yeah, YouTube's okay. You only use Top Step? No, I use Top Step and Bullinox. Bro, you wouldn't believe it. Check this out, you guys. Bullinox, I woke up last night with an email from them saying, sorry to see your account go, this and that. It could be for whatever. It could be because it sat there for too long or hit the max drawdown. Hey, bro, account was extremely healthy. I was up like nearly $2,000 on that account yesterday. I sent back an email. I told them all the numbers. I said, this was the trade. This was the last trade that was taken. This, everything, time, everything. And they said, oh man, it must be something to do with Project X, this platform. We're going to have to get back to you. I'm like, bro, it's not good enough. Now I'm missing out on money because you guys are fucking making mistakes. So yeah, I'm waiting for my other account back now. That's like, what the fuck? Like, how can that just happen? You know what I mean? It's not good enough, man. Yeah, like I'm literally missing out on money. Nah, so here's the thing. Even if I blew it, like let's say I genuinely blew it, which I didn't, it would typically say at the top here, it would typically say like account invalid or whatever, ineligible. And then you could look in your dashboard and it would also show it there, but it's just completely vanished. It's nowhere to be seen. I'll get it back. Like they know that something's wrong because usually they'd be like, nah, this and that, but they actually said, oh, we'll have to check with Project X because yeah, they know that something's up. Yeah, I've been paid by them plenty. Oh, they're usually good. All right, man, let's have a look. Oh, wait. Oh, this is NQ. Wow, NQ's in this consolidation. Beautiful. Let's see if we can get some breakout on NQ. What up, trades? Yeah, man. Did they really, Jack? What's the range if we break out of this minor consolidation here? It's kind of extended now too far. Oh wow, his ranges are big. This guy's unprofitable. Yeah. I just made half your yearly wage in the last 2 weeks, but yeah, all good. All good. Kind of overextended. Yeah, we'll see. NQ could be cooking. It's hard to get like NQ breakouts, especially in London, are a bit tricky. Euro news, that's all right. Why'd you leave Brisbane? Because I didn't want to give half my money to the tax. Yeah, it's the only reason. I mean, it's not the only reason. And also, like, you know, come to Dubai, level up massively, just been around a bunch of success. Yeah, I've massively leveled up since moving to Dubai. It was a good decision. It was definitely a good decision, my dude. Stanley Brown. Who's coming to the Forex Expo? I'm going to be at a booth at the Forex Expo here in Dubai. No, it's not cheap in Dubai. Do you miss your old view? No. I mean, the view's cool, but the reality of that view was a small room in a room. Yeah, first like kind of proper New York stream last night. Caught a little W there in New York. Caught about 27 pips actually. Jit. Bro, how's Jit in the mentorship here? Just post the thing today. Hey, does this mean like I'm funded pretty much? Bro's just casually getting funded over here. Good stuff, man. Welcome to the Futures Funded Club. Yeah, I left the green screen in Brizzy. So I assume I passed. How long before I get the email? Brother! Not only did he pass, he threw another 200 on just for good luck. Yeah, awesome work, man. Let's start getting some money out of these biatches. We'll book another catch up soon as well, Jit, if you when you're ready. So see if NQ gold wants to come back up in this range. Can you please show your journal? What do you mean? Like, what do you want to see exactly? You have a bad feeling when NQ and gold move in the same direction? Yeah, just chill. Who cares? Where are you trading from? A living room in Dubai. Man, I'm going to film a cool ass video today after some of this for YouTube where an unprofitable trader comes into a room, and then we have a whiteboard, and then we kind of go, okay, tell me what's up. And then we go through all of his stats, everything about his trading so far, and then we look at tweaking it and the right adjustments that need to be made for him to go to success. Really like a business overview, overhaul. I want to see how many trades you take and what you put in your journal. 1.2 trades a day. Oops. Oh, look at this fake out here on gold. Yeah, the journal, so you got date, info about the trade, long or short, type 1, type 2 for us, stop loss, take profit, did you cut, partials, was it a win, was it a loss, what time frame, what session, and then a screenshot of the trade. Snip, snip, screenshot, bang, bang. Type shit. Loss over here. Oh, I remember this trade in London. I should have taken it as an impulse. You know, it's so funny how when you journal your losses, like this was so long ago, but I still remember I got tapped out by 1 pip and then it took off. I mean, when was that trade? That was fucking ages ago. That was in the fall. I was in April. I remember it like it was yesterday. All right, we failed below and came back up in this range. Failed below, came back up in this range. Bro, I think I saw you at Champs Platinum Gym in Dubai. I'm in Dubai. Must have been another fucking Chad. What up, Zoomer? NQ's kind of still in this range. Platform for journaling, I use Notion. What's the difference between option 1 and option 2 in Bull and Ox? Trailing drawdown. Just message Discord asking when your stream is. Didn't realize it's on now. Oh, really? Yeah, every time, every day, same time, London Open. This is a wick fill. Yeah, but it's tough because there's no like breakout confirmation really. Weak body. Yeah, anyone's got any analysis, throw it in the Discord. We can have a look on stream if there's anything you're looking at and you want us to go through. Price and value, why don't... Oh. Big Tom, what up, my G? It's every day, bro. How do I join the Discord? Here, I'll post in the TikTok, I mean in the YouTube chat. I'm live on YouTube right now. If you want to join the Dissy, I'll put this in the YouTube chat. There you go, YouTube. Sort of, Pez. I'll have a look properly today. Yeah, I'll have a look properly today. But whatever you want to do, just do it. I trust whatever you think is a good idea. NQ's just chilling. Gold's just chilling. I think we're going to get a good move here on gold. We're just consolidated for Asia. So, okay, this, you know, even though we got a fucking, what, 150 pip move, this is almost like a consolidation for gold. Yeah, we might get that set up, Shib dog. Yeah, Shibby, we might get that set up soon. Kashi, wow. Here he is. Oh, Champs Platinum in Dubai, proteins on me. Damn, where is that? I'll have to have a look. I'll have to look into where Champs Platinum is. I'll whip you, Pez. Just join the Dissy, nice. Hopefully I put the right one in this time. I understand what you're thinking here, Logan. We'll go through this a bit later. We'll go through this. Just keep chipping away this week and we'll catch up on Friday. I think we're going to go through a lot of stuff on Friday on our 101. Yeah, can you believe Bullinox, man? Like, fucking hell. Yeah, or just a free one, Nikki. That'll be good, yeah. Nikki, have you been funded yet? Do you guys ever notice that your first time getting funded, it's almost like... it almost happens like spiritually. Like it almost happens when it needs to happen. You know what I mean? It's like... I don't know what I'm saying. Oh, nice, Nikki. Nikki, are you 18 yet? Super sus question. Because... could you guys imagine, like, really looking at crush and trading at the age of 17? Isn't that fucking wild, man? I wish, like, that's just the most... It's just the most fucking... Yeah, I wish I was that, man. I wish I had that focus at that age. It's actually amazing. It really is. Peter. Peter, didn't you say you spoke to Ergon? 18 November 11th? Yeah, that's amazing, man. What up, Marnie? Start at 16. Yeah, I remember you were telling me that, Jack. Wild. Imagine being born in... It's crazy. Yeah, good. Yeah, take your time, Nikki. Take your time for sure. All right, so we're failing below, pushing back up into this range. Very like level of interest up here. Very interesting level of interest up here. These equal highs, basically. Like, what's the probability of prices doing that without needing to gravitate up there again? Love your patience, bro. I love you, bro. What do you prefer to trade? Humans. Billions. Oh, yo, you guys, peep this. New Way On podcast over here. Faith and trading.
Like it doesn't come out of thin air. So
when you're buying, someone else on the other side of the world is selling. So someone's always making money and losing money. It's just like a consistent state. And it's a business. Like you said, it's a business. It's like saying when you go to the coffee shop to buy a coffee, oh, they only paid $5 for those coffee beans, but they charge you 10. That's bad, but no, it's called business.
it makes sense.
I was making a point there because in Islam, if you're profiting off somebody else's losses or something like that, it's like haram. So it's like these tricky shits. I don't know. Haram. Do you think inverted FVG is more important than normal FVGs? Yes. Actually, I think the inverted crossover FVG bang bang. Nah, I don't know anything about FVGs, bro. I can't just price action. I just read candlesticks. Thank you, Bluey. Man, I've got to really start looking at making some clothes. Bluey, you got any hookups? I really want to make a trading clothing brand. It'll make like $2, but I think it'll be pretty cool. What up, Box? We got the most black belts. You can give me some sauce, okay? Yeah, I might have to sauce you up soon. Bad girls love money and me. Wow. Yeah, this is gold, my dude. Yeah, I don't know the intricacies of it. Pass my Orion funded drift account. Nice, Vanessa. Beautiful. Good work. Yeah, hopefully we get you drifting out here in Habibi land. One more thing here, you guys, is has anyone peeped this new vlog here, day in the life in Jerusalem?
Car, like just to drive around. Look at this.
Brum brum. You guys really sleeping on this vlog? All right.
Look at this shit, man.
Look at this shit. You guys are really sleeping on the vlog. All good. Bro, fuck that wolf emoji off, man. Fuck. I don't know why it makes you laugh fucking so much. It's a stupid wolf. I already watched that. Rooftop is sick. Yeah. Crazy rooftop. Crazy roofie. Can you please announce to scammers to not text and pretend to be you? Scammers, don't scam. Scammers, don't scam. Stop. Stop now. You have been ordered to stop. You shall not scam. Dad, stop adding me in Discord. Okay, sorry. That's so good. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, haram. Yeah. Ashallah. You know, a lot of the guys here say like, you know, they'll be saying something about the future and they'll say, Ashallah, I think like, hopefully all goes good or whatever. 1 to 2 scams a day. That's all that you got to do. Bro, 2030 plus. Yeah, I know. TikTok's out of control with the fake ones. Oh, inshallah. Inshallah. Yeah. Would you be looking to take on a 17-year-old who knows the fundamentals and is looking to get funded for the first time into the mentorship? I don't know anything. I would just say keep showing up to stream, my dude. That's the biggest thing I would say. And asking questions. Yeah, I would be mad, Pez. I would be mad because I know it's a bad idea and it's on the best interest of long-term success. You're muted and we can't hear you, then unmute me on your phone. Inshallah. It is haram if you take a loss without permission, but in trading they have given permission. Oh, really? Yeah, I think they were saying something about like if you're in a short position, you're essentially shorting like a stock, right? So profiting off the losses of something, and it's like, I don't know, it's kind of weird. Big D, what up? The only thing is, Pez, if you took like a textbook play and then you let runners run like a swing. How can I join your mentorship? You type Daniel Holmes Trades into Google. That's all that you got to do. Just ordered some glasses. Nice. Be prepared to have sore eyes regardless. Is Dan Holmes 0303U? If you're asking that, it means you're suspicious. And if you're suspicious, there's probably a reason for the suspicion. Oh, live account. Yeah, good idea. Thank you for reminding me that. I'll fire up the live account as well. Inshallah. For fuck's sake. David trades you. I don't know. Do you remember the moment when you understood that you are no longer a slave and can write your own ticket? Could you enlighten us about that moment? I guess it was when I quit my job. No, it was before that, but You're never going to have moments where it hits like that. You're going to get to a certain level and it becomes like you just get accustomed to that level and then you make a decision. There's no such thing as aha moments. There's only things of like, because you think about it, anytime you're surprised about an outcome and you go, oh my God, aha, it's probably not deserving. But when you get there, it's like you've already earned it. So it's not that much of a surprise by that point. Yeah, new 30 out. Don't really want to play in this consolidation range here. Do you recommend Bullinox? I mean, I've used Bullinox and made a lot of money out of, like, they've paid me out a ton, but, you know, yeah, I'm a bit pissed off with them at the moment, but it's all good. Yeah, that's all right, Pez. I guess just the thing is, like, you know, sometimes you get rewarded with certain ones and then there's a tendency to do it again and again. And at the end of the day, it's just like, it's not about today. It's about setting the foundation for long term. And the system and strategy and everything that we use, trust me, man. You already know this. You guys know this, but it's really fucking good. Yeah, we're in a really good spot here. We've got great risk management parameters. We've got great profit probabilities, and just keep it as is. Please take a look at Discord wins. Okay, let's take a look at Discord wins. I think I'm on the base. What you taught on YouTube? Perfect. Yeah. Nah, this is okay. For whatever, this isn't me, but if you liked what you're seeing here, then go for it. I don't want to play in this consolidation here. Which part of the Bible did you start reading? I want to begin. I started at the very start. I don't know if it's like if you're starting in the Bible, I don't know if it's a good idea because it's a very tough read. Up until you get to Matthew, which is all the whole story before Jesus came down, it's a tough read. It is tough. But to give you an overview, it's really just about God kind of nominating certain individuals to be representative of his word, and then humans, and then when that word gets spread, humans fuck it all up and they have to start scratch, and they just keep having to fuck it up and start scratch. And then to the point where God gets so fed up, he brings his own son down. And that's where it starts. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Man, I was reading the Bible, Matthew, this morning, and it is just fucking genius, like literary geniusness. And it was penned fucking 2,000 years ago. It's just like, it is genius text, man. And the way that Jesus lived, it's just like, yeah. Just like Cliff Connect would say, is Jesus was reliable. Damn, you Sigma Wolf. Bro, I'm not a fucking Sigma Wolf. Let's check the Discord. Wait, what? Yeah, yeah, he is in the new Discord. Which Disy am I checking? There's nothing in the Discord. Bro! Fuck off, man. Literally the worst thing you could be penned as. I'm not a Sigma Wolf, bro. I'm a hard older dude. Can you please explain how you found narrative, or just want... narrative, do you mean bias? I have a whole system that I just kind of wait. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Oh, look, people over here are saying start with John. Wait, what? Why would I start with John? I'll start with Matthew. I mean, I've started from the very fucking scratch, but you might as well read it in order. Actually, don't trust me. I don't know enough. I told you, Matthew, mate. Really? The clip impressions. Oh, I love Cliff. Wait, Ty, how do you know? Jesus was reliable. Come on, man. Gold's kind of stuck in this level. It's all right. Like we'll let it cook up for a bit. Nick Stewart from Temu. Wow. That's the dumbest shit you could ever say. Humanly possible. Oh, it looks like Graf's been on a deleting spree. Nice. I don't know what they were writing, but... Nah, I don't think he's been on Rogan. What's your Discord? It's pinned in the YouTube chat. I'm live on YouTube right now. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Yeah, he's been on George Janko, yes. Any trades today? Nah, I haven't even looked. Like I don't trade Asia anymore, so I'll be trading only London and New York these days, just because of my time zone and stuff and some schedule changes. Dubai, Fethi. Fethi. Like, change the name, though? Yeah, I can't believe Nicki Minaj got me banned for a week. Thank God I was able to overturn that. Given that you can live on your own terms, what is the legacy you want to leave behind? Sounds corny as fuck, but generally curious. Most people don't... I mean, my legacy isn't about me. I would not want a legacy about myself. It's about what I can give. Yeah, it's not about you, I don't think. That's where pride comes in, and pride's no good, according to the Bible, but it makes sense. The only thing I want to do is be so resourceful that I can help as many people as possible, especially the family that I haven't created yet. You still trading Top Step? Yeah, I'm still trading Top Step over here. Wait, really, Graph? Well then, Agaba, keep trading so you don't so you're no longer a novice. Just keep showing up. Yeah, that's right, Pez. Yeah. Good answer. Thank you, brother. Mohammed from Hong Kong. Oh, Ruzokushi. Sorry. ton of volume here. I mean, if there's one session that you just love showing up for, it's got to be London. Thrilling. Appreciate you, Pharaoh. You watch anime, bro? I'm a huge Dragon Ball Z fan. If I watch Goku going Super Saiyan the first time ever when he was fighting Frieza, if I go back on YouTube and watch that clip, I'll still get shivers. Legit, as a fucking 78-year-old man, I'll still get shivers. Express account. Oh, check this out. You know what's so funny? So the Express account, do you need to have the $200 day or the $150 day to be eligible for a payout? I just don't even think about that. All that shit's set up for you to get psychologically psyched out. I actually haven't even thought about that at all. Isn't that interesting? Because if you're thinking about that shit, you're going to start doing shit that's out of accordance with just showing up and taking a trade. If you plan to have these accounts for a while, like you're just going to hit that naturally. You know what I mean? Shout out to anime fans. Yeah, Pez. Remember that Pez, Android 19? she's mean on the outside, but once you get to know her, she's really sweet. Oh, fuck. Wait, which one's Android? Is it Android 19, the blonde one? No, 18 or 17? Yeah, Android. Bro, I used to love fucking Android 18 when I was a kid. I was actually in love. Damn. I don't get banned again, actually. Yeah, I used to love Android 18. I actually loved the cartoon character. She's nice once you get to know her. Yeah, don't even think about I have to hit this amount of dollars per day. It's like watching paint dry. I don't know, bro. Yeah, something like that, C+. Sounds good, Pharaoh. Let's do it, my brother. Bro, I want to know about Bullinox and the platforms they use. Yeah, just look into it. It's easy. This is Bullinox platform right here. Project X. Yeah, I'm using OBS. Although I'm not a huge fan of OBS. I can't seem to bring up two OBS fucking screens and then bring up settings on both of them. I can only bring up settings on the main one. I used to be able to do it though. It's really weird. All right, man, we're still in this range. Really lame stuff here so far. We'll see if we can get a breakout. The longer it consolidates, the better the breakout. Don't base, yeah. What if the breakout was a liquidity sweep? I don't know what a liquidity sweep is. You know, whenever you say things like, what if it's a fake out, or what if it's a liquidity grab and this and that? It's like, yeah, but what if, you know, Earth's a simulation? Like, no one really knows. All you got to do is just keep going. So just take the trade. That's right, Jasper. Can you add your Discord link here? Nah, it's on YouTube. And the link's not expired. If you come over to YouTube, I'm live there right now. You'll see the link is pinned in the chat. And it's not expired. My YouTube name is the same as my TikTok, Daniel Holmes Trades. Level to level, exactly. Yeah, one of the lads is going to probably take over New York tonight because I can't do New York tonight. Baby cat dog, you just probably need to copy the link and paste it into your browser. Yeah, no, the link's fine. When Daniel gets tired of standing in wild trade. Bro, imagine. That's fucking wild. That's like lazy on a whole nother level. This is unbelievable, man. What is going on here in London? It's sickening. It's fucking sickening. Might as well just quit trading at this point. Hey chat, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream if you haven't already. 1,500 people here and we're at 71 likes. W. Crazy. I mean, how big is this range? It's not like massive. Yeah. Sell, sell, sell. Yeah, bro. Hey, Dan, do you remember me? You send me a message. No, I didn't send you a message, bro. I'm out of date. No volume, unfortunately. Yeah, it sucks, right? It's very unfortunate. Shit ton of news? Wait, what? Nah, don't screen it and send it to me, bro. I don't need to see it. It's not me. I've been trading for 2 years, but couldn't find capital. Help, please. Sure. What's this? 200? Will that be enough? That's all I've got. I'm sorry. Fuck. Credit card details? Shit, this dude's been trading for 2 years and he needs... okay, 5217 2930 1217. Anyway. Bro said just 100, please. Bro, get a fucking job! Get a job! That's how everyone else makes money, but you think you don't need to or something. It's the only way to make money if you don't have money is immediately to get money is to get a job. It's the only way you can do it. If there was another way around it, we would all be doing it. But until then, you know what I mean? Feminism is the problem. Or start an OnlyFans. Oh, I can't say that probably. Top 10 paying jobs right now, bro. Fuck off, wolf! Bro, I was so close to wolf howling just then. Woo! One day I'm going to do something so cringe that I just can't. Has anyone ever done anything in life, and if you think back on it, you're like, oh, like why did I do that? And it can be like 10 years ago. I got some of those things still floating around. Thank you for the details, bro. Just brought an account. Nice. Bro's turned into a wolf for real. Start howling. Oh man, it's so bad. Bro, I've never seen you take a trade. Bro! Fuck off. Fuck off, bro. How about that? I've never seen you take a trade. I never seen you take a trade. Okay, cool. What do you want me to do with that information? He take trade once a month. Bro, I've made more than this month than you've made the entire year. So whether you show up now for 2 seconds and then you're on to the next stream is up to you. I can't control that. And I haven't been on your stream always, but the last 5 times, nothing. Are you stupid, bro? We were streaming yesterday and took a trade. Where were you then? Or your brain didn't work then? I don't understand. Everyone thinks that I live in Dubai. Wow, this is crazy. Look at this volume, man. Shippy. Take a trade now to show him you're successful. Yeah, exactly. Took 2 on Friday. Yeah, legit. Took 1 yesterday, 2 on Friday. I was like, what? That was the last 2 trading days. I understand. Nice language you have. I'm out of here. No! I just felt like I was transforming into a wolf then. Someone's leaving because I swear did. Yeah, I got to try and stop swearing, actually. That's a good point. How can there be 434 people on... Well, there was the same amount of people on TikTok and YouTube at the same time. Like, how does that happen? It happens all the time. It's like there's definitely some sort of glitch in the matrix. Don't bother on the hater comment. Nah, it's only funny. Yep, 447 on TikTok as well. I don't get it. What did you mostly trade in Asia? Gold. Something to do with the metadata. Fuck. You missed a setup. Yeah, I know. Crazy setup so far. This was a crazy setup here. Wild. Missed it. Fuck. Guys, throw a like on the stream. Yeah, throw a like on top of the stream, you guys on YouTube. If you like it, it means you're cool. If you don't, it means you're... I don't want to have to say it, but I think we all know what I'm thinking. Do you play video games? Yeah, I play Fortnite. I've been thinking about playing the new Borderlands. I had a lot of fun with that back in the day. And I play Oblivion sometimes. Yes. They're making the frogs, yay. And they're bat people. And they're sleeping in coffins. And they're making the frogs gay. Nah, I never got into WoW. Are you actually Yeez? I'm an NQ boy. Fuck off, Wolf. You seem to know what you're doing. I mean, until I lose a trade, then you say, fuck this guy. What's your favorite conspiracy theory? I mean, I don't even know how to answer that, to be honest. Basically, everything is a conspiracy theory. Basically, there's just everything. Basically, we don't know anything. You know what I mean? Nice. All right, here's the closure. Here's the first hour. Like, literally nothing has happened in the first hour of London, which is crazy. Look at the London open candle. Wow. That's crazy stuff. Very wow. Very wow. Bro, these wolves, oh my god, who started? I know, bro, you started it. Yeah, I'm not in flat earth. I just want to find out what's up with Egypt. There's so much happening in Egypt. I just want to find out the truth. Wait, because you are more experienced now, could you just have one account to just take any trades that you think are good? That's what I do anyway. I just take any trades that I think are good. 1 to 2 conspiracies a day. Yeah, but just do it over multiple accounts. What do you think when there's no movement? Nothing, just chill, just wait. Just wait for the volume to kick in. One to 2 conspiracies a day. Cool, all good. Same number on TikTok and YouTube again. Can you explain today's my trade? Wait, what? Yeah, if anyone's got any trade analysis they want some breakdowns of, just chuck in the Discord. Yeah, we're going to get a break out of this. We're just got to be patient here for a bit. Suman, what up, my G? Thank you for all the gifts there on TikTok. Did you really use the code? Do you think gold's overextended? What do you mean, bro? Would you have said that here? Or what about here? Or what about here? Oh, no, not yet. But what about here? What about here? What about down here? What about down here? What about this? What about here? What about here? You know what I mean? It's like, it's just moving up. That's what gold does. Day 7 of asking Daniel to teach me trading. I am teaching you trading. Do show up to the stream and ask questions. You will learn. It's nice to meet with you. Thank you, Shera. Wait, what are you talking about, Graph? What alien? I inboxed you, but you didn't answer? Nah, no point. Yeah, hey, let's do it, Pez. Let's catch up, my brother. Project X, definitely fuck Rhythmic. Oh, the Venom thing, bro. It's such cap. Like, you guys really falling for that? Do you have a Signal group? Yeah, you're basically at it. You're basically on the Signal group right now. Did Tanya answer your email? Nah, she didn't. Why have an email there if we can't ask for SIGs? Oh no, what was her name? Anya. Anal or something. Anal trades. This trader. This trader. I think we messaged her on stream once. Yeah, look. I don't know why she didn't reply. This is my favorite. You guys, I've been on the internet for 34 years. This is my favorite post on the entire internet. Woo! Yeah! $139,000 trade! Woo! And then you go to the next post. Have a look at my balloon knot. All good. Or maybe there's more evidence down. Have a look at my balloon knot. $134,000 trade. Woo! All good. Hey guys, just took a trade. I know it might look like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20 charts on my screen with the news in the background. $139,000 trade. Woo! Type shit. Anyway, that's enough roasting. Damn, Maddie got rejected. Yeah, legit. I'm turned into like a bitter wolf. Never enough roasting. Oh no, it's so fun to roast sometimes. She ripped the dress. Woo! Yeah, let's see what's up here on gold. Man, we could actually be cooked here. Could NQ save the day? Is this all-time high? Yeah, nice. Do you know Tory trades, bro? No. Yeah, I got to start posting content in the kitchen like that. Is having a good risk to reward a must to be profitable? Yep. So you want to... Nah, it's actually not. It doesn't mean shit. Look at Don Vo. His risk to reward was like, he would risk 10 to make 1. And he was a profitable trader. So it doesn't matter. It actually doesn't matter. Thoughts on intermittent fasting while trading? I mean, it's the same thoughts on intermittent fasting while doing anything. Just do it. What's the worst that's going to happen? You get hungry? No, I don't want to be hungry. Jasper.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was. The one who hid away his pain with the clutches of drugs. I won't be angry or regret. Only smile on my own and just know I overcame the hardest.
What would you say is the most important factor in being profitable? I mean, there's more than just one. It's like, it's really just a concoction of a couple of things. It's one, you have to have a good proven system and strategy. So it's fully fleshed out. Decent psychology, which comes with time. You can't bypass that. There's no like cheat code to building good psychology. It's just a time thing on the charts. And then there's other things you can do to kind of speed the process up. Have a mentorship, have a good community. Yeah. Yeah, but what do you mean? You're saying he's not profitable now, Mark? Like, what do you mean? I mean, he ripped a bunch of people off, but he wasn't a bad trader. I mean, yeah, he was a profitable trader. But there's no denying he ripped a bunch of people off. Thoughts on TJR bootcamp? I mean, I think it's a good idea if you're stupid. Nah. Nah, I'm only joking. I can't say anything. I don't know anything about it. I've never seen it or anything. It's just ICT stuff, isn't it? I don't know. Institutions don't agree with. Nah, Bullinox, the monthly pay thing, you don't pay once you're funded. With Bullinox. What do you think of PW? Patrick Wheely or whatever? Yeah, I don't know enough. I don't know anything about him. I know he sells a lot of referrals through. He was posting something like he was making 30K a day just on prop firm referral codes. Crazy. But he has a website as well where it's all there. So it doesn't all come from like just social media promotion. Daniel's what I think I just think like no, I'm a freaking loser. You know Bird? Oh, is Bird? In trading, there's 3 things you must master. Now, I've been on the prop firm FTMO leaderboard more than 400 times. I really like him, but fuck, his voice does my head in the way he talks. Over 400 times. It always like ends like that. It's like, bro, just speak normal. If there's one thing I learned from traders, I feel like I'm roasting everyone today, but it's just for fun. I'm bored. Hey, I won 50K prop firm. Roast Central, bro, legit. I mean, I'll do a podcast with him if I'm allowed to roast his voice. Jesus was reliable. Oh, fuck. Jesus was reliable. No, sir. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Bro, is this a... Oh, look at static. $5 just to put a wolf. Bro, fuck off with the wolves. I'm not a wolf. And then I just start transforming into a wolf. Fuck off with your wolves, bro. One day I fucking shot with a wolf hat on, a wolf costume. Oh my god, I've had the speaker on this whole time. Stupid. Have you got a Andrew NFX? I don't know who that is. Yeah, for the NFP stream. Bro, if you guys look at this, wow. Wow, this is London. I'm a Londoner. Wow. NQ is probably going to pop here. Raja, still your best voice. That's all that you got to do. Raja blowing a 50k account. Oh, no, no. Nice, Tim. Good to have you here, brother. There's a furry event in Dubai. Fluctuation. Graph just deleted Static's messages. I have no idea why. All right, man. Gold, you going to give us anything, bro? Question for you. Why so many F words from someone who reads the Bible and claims to follow God? It's upsetting. Yeah, I don't mean to upset you. It is something that I will start working on. I'll say that. Yeah, I'm not perfect. Yeah, I'm not perfect. And I don't know if I don't think there's anything wrong with swearing, but it's kind of in my heart. I feel a calling to stop. So I always trust that feeling. So I would say that's from God. So I agree with you to some regard. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. I'm about to turn dial. How many times frames is this? It's multiple time frames all in one. This is a 15-minute time frame, my dude. You can see it on the screen. Actually, you can't. Wow, sorry. Yeah. Can't take the Aussie, yeah. Wolfie Master FX. I'm gonna try change my trading name to Wolf Master FX. Come on, Gold. What do you got for us, my dude? I've been standing here for a hot minute. Jesus was reliable. Bro, how's your parents like? They call you or what? My dad's dead. My mum, I don't have any contact with. Yeah, I haven't. My parents are hectic, bro. Watch your vlog, living. Nice, Chris. Yeah, dropped a vlog 2 days ago, my dudes. A vlog. Looks like gold's starting to move up a bit here. Could we get a fucking breakout finally? I'm definitely staying in this apartment for another 3 months. Yeah, I'm going to re-sign the lease for another 3 months. Yep. Yes, sir. 3 bangers. Hopefully they don't increase the price because it's like more people are starting to come to Dubai more because the weather's starting to get a bit cooler. Leave you with this. Does the spring pour forth the same opening? Yeah, I see what you're saying, Tim. You don't like to sign yearly? Nah, I don't want to sign yearly because things can change with the trajectory of my life. It's like things can change dramatically in 3 months. The first 3 months here was like to establish, get a good pulse, make the connections, make some moves, which I've done. And now the next 3 months is like skyrocket type shit. Skyrocket. Then you need to surrender your life to Jesus and the Holy Spirit and empower you. The Holy Spirit. It's not by the power of the Spirit. It's Spirit, Spirit, Spirit. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just chilling. But I am doing stuff. It's all right. How much does rent cost in Dubai? I mean, it's 1,100 Australian dollars a week here for a 1-bedroom apartment. But I'm like right on the river. The beach is literally like just there. I can literally walk there in a second. Everything's close. Everything. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. Can we get to 200 likes over here? You guys on TikTok, if you type Daniel Holmes Trades, the same name as my TikTok name on YouTube, you'll see I'm live there right now. Full chart and a link to the free Discord community pinned in the chat. Pin it. Wait, $800 a week? No, I said 1,100 a week. So 8 minutes for this candle closure. We'll see if we can break above this level. It'll also be a 30-minute closure if it does. I'm from Somalia. I like the way you're waiting for setup. Thank you, brother. Just waiting for a setup, that's right. Do you trade orb? No. Do you reply? No. Can't comment, but you just dropped a comment. Find a cheaper rent to... Why would I do that? Why would I find a cheaper rent? You know, a few, not even that long ago, maybe 2.5, 3 years ago, I met a girl and she was really successful. And she said, yeah, I live in an apartment in Brisbane and the rent's $700 a week for a 1-bedroom apartment. And that blew me away. I'd never met somebody that was willing to pay $700 a week rent and seemed to be okay with it and like didn't affect her too much. And I was like, wow, 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 wow. And now I pay 1,100 and I don't even think about it. And it's like paradigms can shift like that. It's crazy how quick things can change and you just adjust to the new levels. New levels, new devils. That was really gay, but you know what I mean? It's just crazy, bro. I know, I need to maybe buy a house, Paul. Yeah, I just can't be bothered. I'm a top step boy. Nah, I don't need an editor, bro. Thanks. Says the error back. All right, I've got 6 minutes. Can we get a break above this level? Big question on everyone's lips. Dubai is crazy expensive, but awesome place. Yeah, exactly. Yes, that's right. Hussein, what up, my G? Jeff. What up, what up, what up? NQ30, let's have a look. NQ doing shit as well. Oh, wow. NQ's breaking all-time highs. Maybe NQ buys as well. Potential couple trades coming up. NQ doesn't usually like to give nice setups like this, but we'll see. Why is your resistance at the top of the wick? It's not. Look, I'm basing it off this level here. people on YouTube will be able to see where I'm basing it. You guys on TikTok, you don't have the full screen. I'm live on YouTube right now, TikTok. Daniel Holmes Trades, you type that in, you'll see me chilling with the full screen. And the link to the free Discord community. Sweep Asia highs and dump. Bro, I'll do a dump on you. Don't tell me what's going to happen. Sorry. Oh, is it breaking down on Forex? Interesting. Nah, because I'm trading futures, I'm going to have to pay attention to futures. Would you recommend trading prop firm? Yeah, I would recommend that. I'm a female trader moving to Dubai next year, looking to settle at Address. Wow, Address is literally right there. Like you could almost see it from this video. It's the building right next to me. Beautiful. Should I enter the trade same as you? No, I don't recommend it. Do you give signals? No. Sweep lows, then Sigma lows. Do you pay attention to news? Yes. Only red folder. I just pay attention to when heavy, high impact news is going to hit the market. Can you please explain the difference between lot size futures and Forex? Not really. It's just, yeah, just trade. So we're getting 2 breakouts potentially here. I might have to take both of them. I don't really like NQs. NQs is a bit overextended. Gold is a bit better. GBP news at 11? Yeah, well, I'm not too concerned with GBP on gold though. What's your advice to someone who hasn't seen any results in 5 years? Quit. Quit because you're not willing to face the truth. Just quit. You're not willing to face the truth. Yeah, you're not willing to face the truth, bro. So there's no point. Because the reality is, after 5 years of failing, and you saying what advice in a TikTok chat, then you're not willing to face the truth that you're the problem, and you're not willing to change the problem. Forex Expo, yes sir, 6th of October. I'll be there at a booth. Come say what up. Fed speaking today, really? Is that true, chat? Is Fed really speaking today? Where's Tory, man? I thought you were going to collab. I know. Yeah, she's ghosting me, bro. Bro's on the hate streak today. I'm on the wolf streak. Nah, it's all joke. It's all humor. I'm only joking. I love you. I love everyone. Fed and Trump speaking? Wow, in 8 hours? Okay, it's not for ages. Okay. All right, we've got a minute and a half here. I think this 30 is going to engulf. Might have to take this based on the 30. It's very risky though. NQ is not breaking above the 15 level as well. It's really annoying when this happens. We'll see. We've still got a minute left, minute and a half. Crap, speak to the comments. Cooking in the kitchen, W. Yeah, you got to be honest with yourself in trading, big time. What do you use to measure volume? Candlestick bodies. Could this break out with no top wick? I'd still potentially, very likely be interested. Forex, what up, Az? What up, brother? Should I sell? Yo, we got a Bali boy. Everyone send heaps of hate towards Aaron and love. Everyone love Aaron. Hate from Spain, yeah. Ilya Taporia. Aaron, one of the GOATs. Facts. Big facts. I probably wouldn't be right here right now if it wasn't for Aaron. All right, I've got some sort of closure here. It looks nice in the 30. I'm pretty interested, man. I'll be honest. I am interested in this. Would love if this could create a bit of a top wick, reject, and then re-break the low. I'll re-break that high. Stop. Stop. Stop right there, motherfucker. Please. Please stop. I'll do anything. If you stop, I'll literally give you a bone. Here you go. Come on, boy. Down here. Come back. Come back. It's not stopping, bro. We'll see. No, NQ's not. I'm not interested in NQ. I'm interested in gold. Why come back? Because I want a bottom wick and then a re-break at that high. I need a bottom wick, bro. I can't not get a bottom wick, unfortunately. Here, boy. Yeah, as much as I would like to, I can't not have a bottom wick here, man. I'll break in my rules if I don't do that. Come back, boy. Come on. I hate it when gold does it. Yeah, I'm so used to it. I've been trading like this for years, bro. Like, I just get so fucking used to it. It's just annoying when you're streaming, though, because you've been waiting for so long for something. Because the reality is, if I wasn't streaming, yeah. So gay, bro. It could reject still, but so gay, bro. Yeah, I'm not interested in Q with that 15 though. The 15 failed to break. It's a smaller body. This could probably just fucking absolutely just skyrocket now because they've been consolidating for a while. We'll see. Hopefully it fails, takes out all the stop losses and fucking pulls back into the range. Could be still on here. Let's just be patient. Could still be on here. Let's just be patient. We'll see if it fails. Took an impulse. Yeah, fair. I can't. I've collected enough data over the years to know that if I have to wait, because even if I get paid by not waiting now, it doesn't work out for me, bro, in the long run. Yeah, if you guys took a scalp there, good for you, W. But yeah, I just personally couldn't. Yeah, I need that wick. I just can't do anything without a bottom wick. I've just collected too much data on it to know that I need a wick. I didn't need much of a wick, but I needed a wick. Show me that wick, son. Yeah, NQ's nothing. If NQ closes small body, I might take an impulse buy. You snooze, you lose. You mean I stick to my rules and I don't lose money? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, exactly, Paul. Today doesn't matter. Like winning this impulse scalp with no data collected on it doesn't matter. Chat trying to create FOMO? Yeah, legit. What matters is over the long run. But I'm gonna be patient here. I'm gonna get a set. I'm gonna get a trade here, whether it's on NQ or gold. I'm going to get a trade here. That's one thing I know. Whether that means it rejects back and then fucking bananas, we'll see. Yeah, exactly. It's not a profitable trade if we enter this one with no wick. That's not trading probabilities and systems. That's just trading how you feel. Oh, I feel like this is going to happen. Okay, but what mathematics, like what statistical data do you have that it's going to happen? None. Just took a scalp, brought an M4. Nice. I've already collected the data, Pam. It's too unpredictable. It's too unpredictable. That's the data on it, that it's too unpredictable. So with that being said, can't do it. Otherwise, I would have it a part of my strategy. I have a setup where I can take a trade without a breakout setup where I can take a trade without a retest, but this isn't it. This is just a standard breakout. And with the standard breakout, you must have a retest. For me. I lied, full margin. What happens when there's no wick you're looking for? It's unpredictable, that's all. So if I take the trade, prepare to get unpredictable results. I mean, if it closes small body red, Mitch, I'd be more interested, I think, in an impulse buy because the 30 engulfed. The 30 broke out. I think if it closes small body red, I might be interested in impulse. If it breaks back below the other 15, maybe, but you're going against a pretty strong 30. Yeah, I'm not too hot on sells. I think we could get something here with gold if we be patient for a second. No bottom wick, no stop loss, yeah. Pez, what trade are you even talking about? You talking about the one that we were talking about on the start of the stream? I don't know anything about that fight, brother. Nah, Pez took a subpar trade, I think he said. Salute to you for keeping your strategy. You need a big pair of balls. I feel nothing. The only thing I feel is the fact that I've been sitting here. Potential NQ impulses, we'll see. Wait, really? How the hell was it laggy? That's so weird. Okay. Yeah, maybe impulse buys on NQ, we'll see. Pretty risky. Gold's a dog. Gold's an absolute dog. Legit. Yeah, I'll let this candle close. Maybe might be interested in an impulse buy on NQ. We'll see. Gold's just off to the races, so I don't know. The reality is to catch a trade on gold, you're going to need some structure. It's going to be like another 30 minutes. So I'm going to see how these candles close and then potentially take a trade. If not, just call it there. Tank Days, Jay's face off. I didn't see the face off, but I seen the press conference. Bro, it's so dumb. So dumb. Some of the dumbest shit ever. Oh my god, bro, what are we doing? Why is this something that would... You know, if Tank had his shirt off, they would just look like little kids? Oh, he would look like a little kid? Oh my god, what are we doing, bro? Why are they letting this happen? Why are they letting this happen? I feel like Jake's just going to absolutely bully the shit out of him. I mean, I think Jake's going to win. Yeah, I think it's too much. Like, think about when Floyd fought the other Paul. Like, it was an even fight. Like, nothing happened because he's just too big. There's only so much size you're going to... There's weight classes for a reason, man. It's every day, bro. Yeah, this is dog shit. I'm probably going to call it, you guys. I've stood here for nearly 2 hours and absolutely nothing. There was one opportunity we were waiting for and it didn't give us a thing, so what are you going to do? Might just have to call it. Yeah, unfortunate. What are you going to do? Don't call it. I have to. Even NQ, I'm not that hot on. Yeah, I'm not that hot on NQ. I'm starting to force trades. I'm starting to force something here now. Yeah. Anyway, I love you guys. Appreciate you guys for showing up. Bit unfortunate there, but it is what it is. Happens all the time. And yeah, it happens all the time. I'm going to wait for a pullback of some sort here and maybe try and take a buy here. But until then, nothing I can do. It's probably going to take half an hour for that to develop. Appreciate you, gang. I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Love ya.